for? They get sleepy. I don't know if y'all pay attention. They tilt them down like this. Amen. But I like them. I don't know, as you get, you know, a little senior up in age, you put a hat on like this here, you have great balance. You do. You throw a hat on a young person like this, they'll drop, mess it up. Senior lady in the church get happy. Hat stand still, don't move. She can fall to the floor, hat just rolled just like this. Watch. Gonna be standing out on Judgment Day. St. Peter gonna call. He can say, your hat can't go. She said, well, I'm not going either. St. Peter is me in the hat. It's a package deal. But how y'all doing tonight? Put your hands together. Don't be scared because some of y'all just still stunned. That's a big old dude with that hat. Don't be scared. I won't use it as a weapon, but if I catch someone not clapping, I'll be like an old lady. Poof, poof. You're going to know who it is going to hit them. Be just like Big Mama. How many of you from the South? Clap your hands. So y'all know when that shoe come to duck, and it's still finding. Yeah. How do I look at my hair? I didn't ask you. Miss Fan told me I look good in it. What y'all think? Do I need to go back and get my money back? Yes. I didn't ask y'all either. I asked the kids. Kids, how I look at my hair? I didn't ask y'all either. I asked the devil then. He'll be like, put some sugar in your tank of the Mac. No, devil, we can't play. Can't play. How many of you from Louisiana? Clap your hands. Oh, look at you. We slip around and have a barbecue with possum and raccoon. Some of you get homesick right now. I'm going home with James. I just know he got something in the refrigerator. Yeah. Look at y'all. Like I said, let me take this thing off. I don't see how you ladies wear this thing. This thing hot. Y'all should invite me in December. I've been good to go. I'm about to catch fire. Take this off on Satan comment. Come on down, James. You're already ready. You're hot and everything. We just add you with the coat. Oh, no, you won't. That's the last place I'm going to go. All right. I'm going to auction off this here scarf. Any of you ladies would like it? Being starting at $1 million. All of a sudden, I am with it. Ooh, $1 million. We're in a recession. But see, some of us don't know how to act in recessions. We just seen Big Mama up here. I bet you right now she could handle a recession like it was nothing. Yes, she can, because my mama. Y'all need to stop talking back there. Y'all gonna scare me. What you say about y'all? Scare me, y'all got some prisoners back there? Let me know now. I'm on parole. I can't be around folks like that. Judge told me if I get back in front of him, it's gonna be ugly. Then I can't wear that to the prison. You know, y'all get quiet when I mention wearing that hat.